Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to download and install Zoapi application on Windows machine, and we'll see how to share the screen using the app and without application. To install Zoapi app, open a browser, go to share.zoapi.com website, click on download and run Zoapi. A .exe file is downloaded. Open the file, click OK. Accept terms and conditions. App is installed. Now let's see how to do a screen sharing using Zoapi app. Open the Zoapi app. Enter the 4-digit PIN that is shown on the display and hit on join button. So to share the screen, use share button. To stop screen sharing, use stop share button. To stream desktop audio, use share audio option. Once you are done with the presentation, click on leave button. In case if you are not able to install application due to admin restrictions, you have an option to share the screen using browser. To do that, open the browser, go to share.zoapi.com website, and below download and run option, you see one more option, screen share from your browser. Click on that, enter your name and enter the PIN that is shown on the screen and click on join. Select entire screen and click on share button. Now your desktop is mirroring on the main display. Thank you.